Hi kids! How are you all cute? Today we draw a cute and beautiful notebook. We draw the way of the notebook. This is rings, which are connected the pages with each other. Now draw the little bow in the front for design. It looks pretty. Now draw the eyes and smile of the notebook. It looks amazing and beautiful. We filled it with black color. Wow, it's almost done. We use black color for dark outline. Let's start the colors. Red color. Pink color. We color in the half side for designing. Green color. We use half green color. Look pretty good. Blue color. Remaining part of the notebook filled with blue color. Like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care.